Morning students, welcome to the social science class. So after your exam, I hope you have checked your terminal exams and I hope you are satisfied with your performance and happy with your marks. So if you are lacking somewhere beta, that you can see in the terminal paper and you can do practice again. So now terminal 2 has started from today. So our first chapter of terminal 2 is chapter 6 history, and the chapter name is towns, traders and craftsmen. See beta, in this chapter these urban centers play an important role in the growth of the economy. Basically, these towns and cities are the main centers beta at the time of medieval period for the culture and the civilization also. And these centers play very important role in the growth of the economy. So during the medieval period, towns and urban centers sprang up around temples, ports, administrative centers or courts you can say, or trading centers. So we will read about these topics like court towns, temple towns and pilgrimage centers. So firstly we will discuss about the court towns. See beta, in the medieval period a number of Indian cities emerged. मेडिवल पीरियड के टाइम पे बहुत सारी इंडियन सिटीज़ आपस में मर्ज हो गई थी. दे वर द दिल्ली, अजमेर एंड कन्नौज अंडर द राजपूत्स, कांची, बादामी एंड एलोरा अंडर द पल्लवास एंड लाहौर, आगरा एंड फतेहपुर सीकरी अंडर द मुगल्स. एंड ड्यूरिंग द अकबर्स रेन, अकबर के टाइम पीरियड में हिज कोर्ट, ट्रेजरी, ट्रेजरी मीन्स खजाना, and stables were moved from Fatehpur Sikri to Agra to suit the changing circumstances. At that time बेटा उसका जो मटेरियल था वो सब मूव करके फतेहपुर सीकरी से आगरा भेजा गया था, क्योंकि कुछ सर्कमस्टांसेस सिचुएशंस ऐसी आ गई थी जिसकी वजह से उसे चेंज ऑन करना पड़ा. एंड फतेहपुर सीकरी वाज अबंडन ड्यू टू एक्यूट स्कार्सिटी ऑफ द वाटर. So Abul Fazl, Akbar's court historian, Abul Fazl was the Akbar's court historian beta, gives a vivid picture of Agra during Akbar's time. Mind. So he says, what he says, Abul Fazl is says ki Agra is a large city and possess a healthy climate. His Majesty has built a fort of red stone and like of which travelers have never recorded. उसने अपने जो मेन थिंकिंग थी उसमें लिखा था कि अकबर एक बहुत बड़ी सिटी थी, उसका क्लाइमेट बहुत अच्छा था. सो दैट्स वाई अकबर हैज़ चेंज्ड द city from Fatehpur Sikri to Agra, and it contains more than 500 buildings of masonry after the beautiful designs of the Bengal. So after this, next topic is beta temple towns. See, one of the best examples of a temple town is Thanjavur, the capital of Chola kingdom. We have read about Cholas in the third chapter, in the second chapter also. And see beta, the temples towns portray a very important pattern of the urbanization, and temples played a very important role in the economy of the state. Basically किसी भी स्टेट की इकोनॉमी को शो करते थे, जैसा मैंने आपको लास्ट चैप्टर्स में बताया था कि टेम्पल्स शो द power, wealth of the king or the ruler. They were built by kings through their donations and the grants, and the money was also used to carry out elaborate rituals, feed the pilgrims एंड सेलिब्रेट फेस्टिवल्स. बेसिकली ये मनी जो उन्हें राजा को मिलता था कहीं या तो डोनेशन से या जो ग्रांट मिलती थी उसका यूज़ करते थे टेम्पल्स को बनाने में. एंड द मनी वाज यूज, बेसिकली जो मनी था अलग अलग रिचुअल्स, रिवाजों में, रीति रिवाजों में यूज़ किया जाता था. एंड फीड द पिलग्रिम्स, जो तीर्थयात्री वहाँ आते थे उनको merged around temples. These will Bilaswamin in Madhya Pradesh, Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh, Somnath in Gujarat, and Kanchipuram and Madurai in the Tamil Nadu. And many pilgrimage centers I have told you today in the class, that means तीर्थ स्थान you can say, also developed into townships. ये छोटे छोटे pilgrimage centers बहुत बड़े बड़े towns में developed हो गए. And two example of such towns were Vrindavan in Uttar Pradesh and Tiruvannamalai in Tamil Nadu. Okay. So now next is pilgrimage centers. Pilgrimage centers means Tirth Sthan. Kedarnath, Gangotri, Yamunotri and Rishikesh were the four important religious places for the Hindus. And these four places together are called the Char Dham. Okay. And the Hindus believed in these places. Basically Hindu जो है इन places पे बहुत believe करते थे. टू मोक्ष और रिलीज साइकिल फ्रॉम द साइकिल ऑफ रीबर्थ, कि हमें इससे मोक्ष मिलेगा या दोबारा से रीबर्थ का जो प्रोसेस है हम उसमें नहीं आ सकते अगर हम इन चार धाम की यात्रा करते हैं तो. दिस वन इज फॉर हिंदूज. एंड द दरगाहs of Sheikh Salim Chishti at Agra and Hazrat Nijamuddin Aulia in Delhi attracted both Hindus and Muslims alike. So मुस्लिम्स के लिए बेसिकली जो होली प्लेस था, द मुस्लिम्स होली प्लेस इज मक्का. एवरी मुस्लिम इज obliged टू विजिट मक्का once in his lifetime. So this was your topic for today. Read it carefully.